Hey everyone, my name is Matthew Baxley. I'm the community support provider for Cook County Human Services. My job here at the county is to educate members of our community about issues related to mental health and also to teach and coach skills that build um, mental, emotional, and psychological health and functioning. Um, And that's what I get to do every day. Right now, I get to do that with all of us. And I want to start by saying that I am so very proud of our community right now. It is really amazing to see and to read and to hear all the stories of folks working together around having to shelter at home. The folks who've been doing that far before it was mandated, and the amount of people who are rallying to volunteer, to check in with each other, to look out for each other, to help with grocery shopping, to help with child care. It's just amazing to see how much work you're all putting into keeping each other physically healthy and safe. I want to take a brief moment to talk about the fact that with all the physical distancing and a lot of the social isolation that is occurring for all of us, with our kids not being in school and with not being able to do our normal routines that make us feel sort of sane, and with all the work we're doing to keep each other safe that involves those sacrifices, that can really create a lot of stress and anxiety. And for many of us, at a level that we've never had to learn to cope with before. So I'm going to continue to get on here and try to cheer you guys on. I need it myself. And put out different skills, tricks, tips for managing the stress and anxiety and isolation. If you're a parent, for talking to your kids and entertaining your kids and supporting your kids, so that we can continue to do this together. And the first thing I want to promote is the importance of talking about your mental and emotional health. Right now, it's really easy to focus on physical health, sanitizing of hands, the checking of temperature with the thermometer, of keeping our distance to keep each other physically healthy. And now more than ever, we need to practice being comfortable checking in about our mental emotional health. And that may mean finding just at least one person, if not more, who you're comfortable with bringing the conversation up by saying, how are you doing? By asking specific questions. How are you coping with all this stress right now? Do you need any help getting through this? Not even just tangible help, which is great, but maybe just to vent or to get some advice. And to have somebody that you can also say, here's how I'm doing. Today I had to have a good cry, or today I had to go for a walk to get away from my kids, or today I just needed to lock myself in the bathroom and take a nice warm shower. So number one thing to do right now is get comfortable talking about it, because that's how we get through. There'll be more tips to come. Please feel free to send us your suggestions or questions via Facebook or social media. It's wonderful to see you all in this format and to connect and be in this together. Thanks, guys.